Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the conditions of equilibrium of firm and industry. A firm is in equilibrium when it has no tendency to change its level of output. It needs neither expansion nor contraction. फर्म जो है वो इक्विलिब्रियम की पोजीशन में तब होती है जब उसकी टेंडेंसी उसके आउटपुट लेवल में कोई भी परिवर्तन की नहीं होती है। ना ही वो एक्सपेंशन करना चाहती है और ना ही वो कंट्रैक्शन करना चाहती, ना ही वो विस्तार करना चाहती, ना ही वो संकुचन करना चाहती। इट वांट्स टू अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट बाय इक्वेटिंग इट्स मार्जिनल कॉस्ट विद मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू। तो फिर करना क्या चाहती है, किसकी वजह से इक्विलिब्रियम होगा? तो अ फर्म वांट्स टू अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट। फर्म जो है वो अधिकतम लाभ पाना चाहती है और मार्जिनल कास्ट और मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू को बराबर करके वो अपने लाभ को यानी अपने प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमम करना चाहती है। इट मींस एमसी इज इक्वल टू एमआर, यानी मार्जिनल कास्ट इज इक्वल टू मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू। The diagram shows the conditions of equilibrium of a firm are MC curve must equal the MR curve. This is the first order and necessary condition, but this is not a sufficient condition which may be fulfilled at the firm may not be in equilibrium. Second, for a stable equilibrium, MC curve must intersect the MR curve from below, and this is the second order condition. Under the condition of perfect competition, यानी पूर्ण प्रतियोगिता बाजार की स्थिति में या प्रतियोगिता की स्थिति में, the MR curve of a firm coincides with AR. The MR curve is horizontal to x-axis. Therefore, the firm is in equilibrium when MC is equal to MR is equal to AR. In the figure, the MC curve cuts the MR curve first at a point A. It satisfies the condition of MC is equal to MR, but it is not a point of maximum profit because after a point A, the MC curve is below the MR curve. It does not pay the firm to produce the maximum output OM when it can earn larger profit by producing beyond OM. Point B, which is given in the diagram, is of the maximum profit, यानी B पॉइंट जो है वो मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट का पॉइंट है, वेयर बोथ द कंडीशंस आर सेटिस्फाइड, जहां पर दोनों कंडीशंस जो है वो सेटिस्फाई हो रही हैं। बिटवीन पॉइंट A and B, it pays the firms to expand its output because its MR is greater than MC. It will, however, stop further production when it reaches the OM1 level of output where the firm satisfies both the conditions of equilibrium. If it has any plan to produce more than OM1, it will be incurring losses for its marginal cost exceeds its marginal revenue beyond the equilibrium point B. The same conclusions hold goods in the case of the straight line MC curve, which is shown in the diagram. And now we discuss the equilibrium of an industry. Firstly, when there is a no tendency for the firm either to leave on enter the industry, or secondly, when each firm is also in equilibrium. The first condition implies that the average cost curves coincide with the average revenue curves of all the firms in the industry. They are earning only normal profits, which are supposed to be included in the average cost curves of the firms. The second condition implies the equality of MC and MR. Under the perfect completion industry, these two conditions must be satisfied at the point of the equilibrium, where MC is equal to MR, AC is equal to AR. Under perfect completion, AR is equal to MR and MC is equal to AC is equal to AR. Such a situation represents full equilibrium of industry. Now, okay, girls.